When I tell you that these 20-year-old girls are literally making $10,000 months look like complete child play. They are putting so many women to shame that are in their 40s, in their 50s, in their 60s. I feel like the older we get, the more jaded we get, the more reserved we get, the more fearful we get, the more doubtful we get, the more we just play around on these internet streets, and we are not about our money all the time. I've never been more inspired by a lot of these young women that I am seeing, and I am not afraid to admit it. Heck, my coach, she is in her 20s and makes $150,000 a month. Inspires the heck out of me. I am not too big to admit that I could have played a much bigger game all along, but it never is too late. I am not the girl that is here on the internet for funsies, right? I am here literally to get the bag and to help other women that want to get the bag as well. It is not 1950s. It is not 1960s where it was so hard to seize opportunity. It is the year 2026 where anyone can wake up on any given day and decide they want more for themselves and to go for it, and no one is holding us back. No one is holding you back. I want to introduce something to you that I think can be a complete game changer if you are ready to start making money online. I'm going to drop the information down below in the comments. Right now, you can get started for $147 compared to $227. You can save $80 right now. You're going to get access to four different income streams, right? And two of them are completely faceless. UGC, letter writing, digital marketing, right? Selling digital products, as well as an affiliate opportunity. So you can actually offer this program to other people and make 70% commissions every single time they purchase it from you. Now's the time to seize opportunities like this. Don't let anything stand in your way. $147. Are you kidding me? Again, I'm watching young women make $10,000 a month look like child's play. $20,000 months look like child's play. I'm telling you, if you're in your 50s, right, stop messing around and get in the game. Do not use the internet for funsies. Use the internet for your gains. I'll be more than happy to help you on this journey. I'll drop the link down below in the comments.